Hey guys, welcome to my channel Star Food. So are you feeling like having some dessert? So here goes a go through easy mouth-watering Oreo ice cream recipe. So let's get started. So firstly I will take a Ziploc bag and put some Oreos into it and then zip it off and crush it with a roller. Next, I'm going to transfer the crushed Oreos into a bowl and keep it aside. Then now I will take a cool bowl and pour some cold heavy cream. Then I will whip it until I achieve a stiff wick. And then I will add some sweetness by pouring some cold condensed milk. Then I will only whip it until both the ingredients are well combined. Once it's well combined, then I will end it by adding the crushed Oreos and fold it well. And here goes the last step, guys. Then I'm going to transfer the ice cream mixture into a container, then clear wrap it and chill it in the freezer for 6 to 8 hours. There you go, the Oreo ice cream is ready to enjoy, creamy, crunchy and just the right amount of sweet. So this treat is sure to hit the spot. Grab a spoon and dig in.